The naughty dragon has been. Hey guys, welcome back. So yes, another delivery from WPLRC.com, and yeah, as always, packed beautifully in a nice sturdy box, and inside then the contents were wrapped in bubble wrap. So without further ado, today we are unboxing the B24 KM. So as always, it was perfectly packaged in a nice thick cardboard box, wrapped in bubble wrap. I really love the way the light bounces off the silver of the writing on these boxes. If you can see that, really nice. So inside the box, we've got a set of B series chassis rails, straight ladders, metal painted. Nice and simple. And then we've got some plastic parts, back brace, some braces, a servo tray, and a 180 motor gearbox holder. We won't be using that because we've got the 2-speed. We have a set of spare, which is really nice, standard axles, so plastic housings. Then we got the metal ring and pinion gear in there, so this is what you'd have on your standard kit or right run, and these are spare. So there's the 180 motor I was talking about. So yeah, comes with a spare 180 motor as well. I don't know why. We've got our servo holder there, so you hold it in place. A 3-hour servo in there, some hardware, some grease, yeah, some cables as well, headlights and motor cable, and that's pretty much spare. So next out then we've got the 2-speed. So we just looked at the 180. This is the 372 speed that comes with all the KM kits. So we got a little micro gear change servo there. And yep, nice 2-speed gearbox. I highly rate these. I've got a couple of these now, and yeah, looking forward to getting that installed. Okay, so this is what makes the KM kit the metal edition. So we got metal axle housings, we've got brass ring and pinion gears, metal drive shafts, little bottle of Loctite, and some grease. We come around, then we got metal bearings, metal knuckles. So yeah, this is pretty much the full 4x4 upgrade, and yeah, it's included with the KM kit. Next out, all up to see there, some nice soft kit tyres and a little giveaway to what colour B24 I've got. So yeah, version 1 wheels and tyres, but that nice soft kit version. Oh, nice. So yeah, the KM also comes with a set of wheel weights included, and yeah, these are pretty heavy. These are about 90, yeah, I'm going to say 90 grams per wheel. So yeah, that adds quite a lot of weight to the overall rig when it's finished, along with the metal axles as well. So yeah, it's nice that you get these included in the KM kits. Not a lot left in the box now, guys. So we've got the body, and as you guys know, let me bring this down so you can see it a bit better. Excuse the mess. So as you guys know, the B24 is my favourite rig, and it's partly to do with the simple B series design, and yeah, a big part of it is the cab design. I love the Gas 66, and this looks really nice in blue. Front cab there, and we got the rear cab here, and yeah, really like the colour. I cannot wait to get timber. I cannot wait to get this built up and out on the trail. So not a lot left in the box at all. instruction manual, and there was a set of stickers inside here as well, so I put those in my sticker envelope. So yeah, we had 2 sets of stickers on top in the main box and in the instruction manual. And if you guys have lost your instruction manual or need one, they are available online on the WPL store. I'll leave the link in the description below. Plans for this build: I'm going to be installing a Res 3 diesel version, which I just pulled from my C54. I've just installed the petrol to the C54. I think it'll sound a bit better in the actual Land Cruiser 80. I think the diesel is going to sound a bit better in a nice track with that diesel air brake. And let me try and get some focus and a bit more lighting on here. So yeah, I've got a diesel Res 3 ready to rock. So yeah, these side ports here. The bottom one controls, let me have a look at my instructions on the wall. Bottom one controls gear shift servo, the middle one controls steering servo, and the top one then is your external device, i.e. winch. Then we got some pins on the bottom. So from right to left, we've got power, and the polarity, you must double check the polarity of this. The instruction manual will show you, but we've got positive on top, negative on the bottom. Middle is normally the on and off switch, but I've put a little jumper on there. And then on the end then, well, in the middle of the board, next to the jumper, is the motor cable. Then on the left hand side here, let me try and focus a bit better, that is a lot nicer. On the left hand side here, top one is speaker, and then these bottom 4 are for lights, so headlights, indicators, brake lights, etc. Really nice piece of kit, sound module, sorry, winch controller. Yeah, it really does the job nice. So yeah, I'm going to be installing the Res 3 into the B24 KM, and yeah, hopefully we're going to have ourselves a nice little trail track. I really like how reliable the B24 is. I've had my standard one for a while. I upgraded the gear internals in the axles to metal, put a 2-speed in there with some drive shafts, and it's a really reliable, capable little rig. So I'm looking forward to having the metal axles with the steering range, because obviously now we've got CVD joints and we'll be able to turn a lot more. I'm looking forward to having the wheel weights as well on there, nice weighty track, and I'm really looking forward to running it with the Res 3. This was designed by RC enthusiasts for RC enthusiasts. So yeah, I really rate this this Res 3 kit. Cheap, but oh my god, the performance is phenomenal. So yeah, guys, just a quick unboxing here today. Stay tuned as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we got new content every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, hit that notification bell, because we'll be seeing the B24 KM out on the trail very soon. I cannot wait to get stuck in and get it built. As always, cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.